Aviation body DGCA has started a special safety audit of all Indian airlines. The move comes 2 weeks after Kozhikode Air India plane tragedy, which claimed the lives of 18 people. This will be a complete flight operations quality assurance audit. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has already initiated the special safety audit of all airports in India that receive heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. Neha Kulkarni joining us live. Neha, this is important. This is concerning the safety of passengers. Of course, certain systems need to be checked. Checks and balances is what we need right now after seeing that huge air crash tragedy in Kozhikode. Can you tell us the latest decisions that the DGCA has taken in this regard?
Absolutely, Afrida. So there are many factors to it as to why it is also being done. Remember, for the past couple of months, Indian Airlines have not been operational as far as commercial operations are concerned in the international sector, which are actually the long hour flight, the long hour flights that we call, which fly for a longer period of time. So even one of the factors is even that considering now the commercial operations have begun as far as the domestic sector is concerned, all the major airlines will have to be assessed now by the DGCA, which will involve understanding what has actually gone behind in terms of the maintenance of the aircraft, in terms of the fact that the services have now resumed. On the other side, the check that is being done is something called as flight operational quality assurance, also known as FOCA. It is a very technical term used by in the aviation sector, which actually means that the operational aspect of each of the flights will be checked, their flight data will be monitored, and everything will have to be reported now to the DGCA. It is a detailed check that is done in the aviation sector, Afrida, which tells about whether the airlines are following the safety protocol, how are the pilots flying, and what are the challenges that they are facing. So considering it is happening after the Kozhikode crash, it's definitely an important aspect here, because now not only the airports but also airlines will have to give an assessment of their safety record.
Okay, an assessment of their safety record will be done, and this is the need of the hour because we cannot take any chances with the air safety, whether it's the passengers or in fact the systems in airports that need regular monitoring. Thanks for joining us, Neha, with your inputs.